Eastern Peat Company presence. Do you like what you see now? Does it seem to you the beauty and magnificence created by the nature? This is a result of our work, one of few objects which have been created by our hands and the best organic fertilizer in the world, the lowland peat of Eastern Peat Company. Advantages of our peat are the best characteristics even when you operate in different kinds of soil. It is favored by high humidity of our fertilizer, more than 36%. It means that the peat will not take humidity from plants during watering. High contents of nitrogen to 2.5% stimulates snowballing of planting seedlings. 1.5% of phosphorus provides nutrition during blossoming of crops. 0.5% of potassium, which enters into the composition of the peat, raises the sowing resistance. But the main thing in the peat is microorganisms. Ash content of the peat of Eastern Peat Company is about 18 to 40%, and it means that the peat consists of organic compounds at 60%, in most cases at 72%. Each of vegetable ancestors of peat left different marks in it. Some of them decomposed slightly, others left bits of bark and tines, and some left pollens and seeds. And here, in this resolved world, there are many bacterial clumps, which are ready to work for the benefit of future harvests. What happens when we apply the peat during planting of seedlings into the least favorable medium, the sand? For a start, let's put a 10–15 cm layer of the peat at the bottom of the hole. It doesn't permit the moisture to percolate quickly into the ground after watering. We are planting the seedling into the substrate, which consists of sand and peat in proportion 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. The substrate is being put by layer. It is obligatory to mix with the necessary mineral fertilizer, and now we are campaigning to reduce the land subsidence. We are filling up the place of planting with the peat of prevention and evaporation and watering. As a result of soil microorganisms, vital activity during the first 2–3 months, decomposition of the lowland peat takes place. This process structures the sand. While the decomposed peat nodulizes sandy soil, it evolves carbon dioxide, thereby it saturates soil air and surface air with this gas. This process improves carbonic nutrition of plants. Another decomposition product is mineral compounds such as nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, sulfur are available for plants. The humus, which is generated in the soil by the end of the second month, prevents from washing out of easily soluble mineral compounds. The soil acquires beautiful natural tinge. In this way, our peat is the sand. If you use the peat constantly 2–3 years later, you will get the qualitative generated result. The experience of our staff enables to say that constant application of the lowland peat improves physiochemical properties of the soil, water-air balance, and activities useful soil microorganisms. The valley peat of Eastern Peat Company turns even a desert into a fertile flat land.